Somewhere along the line someone has suggested that wealth is not important to life and that God, or the gods, have an intense dislike for the rich. Perhaps because of this, many people in the world are living in extreme poverty and are proud of it. There is an all-round belief that poverty is a desired condition and that one should live in poverty in order to be good. This does not make sense at all because the same people sometimes say that it is important to be happy. Reason tells us that it is not everyone who can be happy when starving or dancing when the water and electric bills are not paid for and the supplies cut. There is no evidence to suggest anywhere that there is a need for anyone to be poor at all. The world is abundant. Someone calculated that there are building materials in the world enough to build palaces for every family on earth and that there is enough food in Europe alone to feed the whole world. Why then do we see lack of wealth everywhere? Perhaps workers are lazy. This is not true at all because the poorest people in the world are the most hard-working. What seems to be true is that these people suffer from a poverty consciousness. They have been poor so long that they do not think of becoming wealthy. They do not think it is possible. Yet there is a possibility of anyone to become wealthy. Some blame the locations where they are, but it is true that there are rich people everywhere in the world, debunking the belief that you need to be somewhere in order to be rich. There are poor people in rich countries and rich people in so-called poor countries. As in every other goal in life, the way to become wealthy is first of all to have an obsession to be wealthy. World literature abounds with stories of poor people working their ways to wealth. If one person can do it, then others can too. We are all born with equal abilities and there is nothing to stop us from becoming wealthy, except perhaps the desire to remain poor. The riches of the world are for all and we all deserve wealth.